viewers, again welcome to my YouTube channel. So now we dive into the world of very beautiful decoration ideas of old bottles. Create, convert into your canvas like painting or beautiful festival ideas. Now this season is coming and we should try more ideas, more creativity in this season. So let's dive into the beautiful world of creativity. Viewers, as you seen this in picture, these are very beautiful. These were very beautiful simple old bottles like plain canvas. An artist mind in mind have to try that. What will he make like this? So viewers, these beautiful made by artists and it has turned into very creative and beautiful ornaments for festival season, this upcoming festival seasons. Hope you liked it all ideas and designs. You can make it at home. You can turn your old plain bottles, old jars, you can convert into this masterpiece. Artist mind has their own world, very deep world, that he decided in his mind what should he make, what he want to make. So these designs are very creative and interesting, beautiful designs. Hope you like that all designs or ideas. You can learn from this video simple bottle turned into this beautiful masterpiece. These are very interesting designs. You can grow your business. You can make it and post a single post on Etsy, eBay, Amazon. You can create your store. These designs are perfectly for artist's mind. This lantern beautiful made by artist. These are very interesting collection for upcoming seasons. You can create this, you can make it. You can take this idea from this video. Are you ready for next videos, next designs? These are very interesting ideas. Hope you like that all ideas and designs. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Craft and Canvas. Hope you like that all designs, very creative. These are very creative ideas. You can recycle your bottles and jars like this, turn into masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed, keep shining, keep smiling wherever you are.